From the Mumbai studios of Republic TV, it's time for Arnab Goswami on The Debate.
Ladies and gentlemen, the fight for justice in the Sushant case is an unstoppable public movement. We are one step closer to the truth because in the next 24 hours, the files will move and in the CBI Section 302 in the investigation will be a reality. The full focus will be then on finding the murderers of Sushant. Tomorrow, we expect the CBI director to sign on the papers. Let's debate.
The fight for justice has reached the national capital.
We want justice! We want justice! We want...
A very strong sentiment coming in from people demanding justice for Sushant Singh Rajput, saying that Sushant Singh Rajput's case should be investigated thoroughly by the CBI and the CBI should come and give answers.
There's an outpouring of support for Sushant's family from across the country.
Justice for Sushant Singh Rajput! Justice for Sushant Singh Rajput! Justice for Sushant Singh Rajput!
And the anger and the voice of the people is giving the cover-up gang sleepless nights.
सुशांत का कोई वॉरियर नहीं डरता, कोई नहीं डरता। सुशांत से जितना प्यार करता है वो और डर बहुत पीछे चला गया। सुशांत से प्यार करने वाला किसी से नहीं डरता। सुशांत का वॉरियर कभी नहीं डरेगा।
As the mass public movement to ensure Sushant gets justice becomes a global rallying point, the central agency is on the verge of taking a major decision, and that decision is expected in the next 24 hours.
Tomorrow, the CBI director will sign on the file, will sign on the murder charge. The murder charge will be added tomorrow, whichever way you look at it. Tomorrow is the big day that we've all been fighting for in this case. We told you there was foul play, a big attempt to cover up the case for nearly 45 to 60 days. 45 to 60 days, the Mumbai police did nothing. They called it suicide. They shut the case. We fought for a CBI investigation.
In the second leg of the investigation, the focus will be on the primary suspects. Siddharth Patani, the man who was first to make a revelation about June 13th, will be questioned soon. We tracked him in Hyderabad.
Hi, Uncle. I'm from Republic TV. Can I speak to Siddharth? He's here, Uncle.
You won't give any interview.
No, I just want to speak to him. Just 2 minutes.
Sorry.
Please, just 2 minutes.
No.
The events of June 13th will be probed seriously, especially after this testimonial on Arnab's debate last night.
Eyewitness saw Sushant and Riya. Sushant and Riya, the eyewitness saw at Riya's building in the society compound. Sushant Singh, Riya, they came up to the flat of Riya. Riya went inside and Sushant Singh left the flat and came down.
What time?
This is what the eyewitness has seen. And this eyewitness, it is around 13th and 14th after 1:30.
The next few hours are going to be extremely critical because India is getting closer to the Sushant homicide truth. Let's debate.
Now, Manaswi, Chetan, Ketan, Sumit Verma and Mohammad Tausif Rahman, to start with you, Mohammad. And Nupur Sharma, Anand Ranganathan, Raghav Avasthi, Xavier Rodriguez and Swapnil Kothari. See, we have good speakers, we'll have an open debate. But Mohammad Tausif Rahman, just to start with you debating with Nupur Sharma, that just imagine the road we would have traversed when the CBI director signs on the file. Because the aim says it could be homicide cannot be ruled out, and then based upon the evidence at hand, the CBI director will sign the file, and he will sign the file for an investigation under provision of 302, which is murder. Okay, Now, people like you, for 109 days, despite knowing the facts, despite knowing the truth, despite knowing about Baby Penguin's role, the parties, the evidence, the Isha Salian, you've taken a blind position, right? You've taken a blind position. Now tell me one thing.
That's not true.
When 302.
That's not true.
When
That's not true.
allow me.
That's not true.
I changed the hashtag right now, viewers. Hashtag CBI for 302. Let's see whether people believe in this. Or should we say hashtag Republic for 302? Okay. We change the hashtag right now. Let's see whether you win or I win. I say Republic for 302. If the people of this country are not with me, then nobody will tweet on this. We start from a base of 0. I say Republic for 302. Tausif, okay? Now you tell me, when 302 is filed, do you believe that for 109 days of fighting against public opinion, facts, reality and evidence, people like you owe an apology to the country? You know, you abused us so much.
No, Arnab,
you abused us. You abused us so much.
No,
You
Arnab,
accused us. 1 minute. You accused us. Allow me. You accused us of.
Debate.
You said you are. No. I'm not completed my point. So after that, we'll have a decent debate. But I will complete my point today. You see, if it was not, I'm saying, if it was not for our fight, the way we fought, would the truth about the narrative of the self-declared close friend of Sushant, Sandeep Singh, and his many contradictions be exposed? And I also ask you one thing, viewers, my hashtag, let's change the top, bottom bands everywhere. Republic for 302. Tell me today, if it was not for the public campaign, do you realize what a colossal cover-up, a travesty of justice would have happened before our very eyes? Did you not abuse us, attack us? Tell us, be honest today. 109 days I've taken it on the chin. Today I'm asking you. It's my turn now to ask you. Republic for 302. Do you think people have forgotten? Do you think people forget? Raghav, do people forget in this country? I tell you, people don't forget. You may think they forget. But people remember every damn thing.
You have to listen to me, Arnab.
Every damn thing they remember.
You have to listen to me.
And people haven't forgotten. They're waiting for the decision tomorrow.
It's okay, you can win. You can win.
It's not about my victory.
No, you are waiting for a tongue twister.
It's the country's victory. The country is giving you a tongue lashing, not me.
It's about a tongue twister. You are twisting the whole statement. I was never against the Sushant Singh case. You know, I always supported Republic. I always appreciated your channel effort. The problem is that you people started the media trial. There was the problem. The media trial is the problem. Now, if the case is registered under 302, it is not registered yet. It is yet to register under 302. Now, it's a good news. If it is going to register under 302, I think it will be liable and feasible for everyone, where everyone is on the street. Now, Sushant should get justice. Now, you are saying people like Tausif Rahman was against and abusing me. I never did that. If it is a political battle, I will do that, and I will never step back. But you have to understand, people were not against Sushant. Not a single Indian was against Sushant Singh Rajput case. Whether it's Nupur Sharma, Gaurav Bhatia, or whosoever, or Tausif Rahman. But if you want to tongue twist, and if you want
she wants to say something to you.
That's not a problem. I don't have anything to say. If I have anything to say.
No,
I'm not.
You cannot. It is not your right to take anybody's name in vain, but I want to start by congratulating you, Arnab. Allow me to please now come in. Arnab, I want to start by congratulating you. और तुमने क्या नहीं सहा है? When you went on to expose the Palghar lynching, they went after you and your wife. They filed 200 unscrupulous frivolous FIRs against you, which was stayed by the Honorable Supreme Court. When you tried to probe and get to the bottom of the Sushant Disha the twin murder mystery, you saw how your own person, how your own correspondent was arrested for 4 days for trespassing in a property which is not even CMO. Then you saw how another one of your young correspondents, one of your young journalists, was beaten up
by people belonging to your own country, your own industry, fellow journalists. तुमने क्या कुछ नहीं सहा है, and Arnab, I have to congratulate you. I've been watching you for years. I was a child literally when I started coming on your channel. I have seen you. If it wasn't for you, the Pushkar case would not have been
But I'm
exposed the way
sure,
it was.
Nupur,
If
you
it
will do
wasn't for
something
you,
for Hathras rape
if it
case
wasn't
as
for you,
well. Right.
that's the whole point. When you complain about media trial, can you not see a media trial in Hathras? Uski jeep kaat di gayi. What kind of a
I never complain. I never complain about. I never complain about the channel, Nupur ji.
Is that conflicting videos are coming out? Is that not a media trial?
Wherein
Wherein 3 reports, FSL, Aligarh, Safdarjung are saying no rape.
That is not a media trial.
No injury on her thighs, no vaginal injuries, no injuries on her breast region, no injuries on her abdomen. There are conflicting reports. Yet you call it a rape because it's media trial by media.
You
have found media.
You want to see the
You
seven
have
after
found
15
media
days?
trying to tutor the family of the girl. You have found media trying to tell them not to take money from the government, to take Priyanka Vadra's money. Come on. You know, this is the hypocrisy you need to expose. We are the people who are saying, let 376 remain. Yeah, but
cannot be run with the
allow me
mullahs
to
and the
I was not heckling
and the
you.
sadhus.
I was not heckling you.
This is the problem.
I was not heckling you. What has happened to this? How many people were arrested in Palghar? Be honest. How many people were arrested in Palghar? बताओ कौन arrest हुआ है? Mumbai police was trying. Mumbai police was trying to.
मैंने खुद पालघर को सपोर्ट किया.
तो करो तो फिर अरेस्ट भी तो मांगो. अर्नब नहीं होता तो सच्चाई बाहर नहीं निकलती है. तुम भी जानते हो. Fact of the matter is, Arnab, let's ask today, what kind of offence was being looked into by Mumbai police? Nepotism does not exist in definition of any law books of any statute of India. It's thanks to you. This proof.
First of all, may I please, I'm just trying to get everybody in, including myself once in a while on the debate.
Nepotism is coming in the corporate background.
May I please, I want to take the debate forward, but we have time. So please allow me to choose the participants. You see, let me get in Anand and Anand and Ketan on the debate. See, the fact is that you thought that the matter would die down. Frankly, Ketan, let me tell you, I am not a greenhorn anymore in this business. Okay? I've been a TV journalist now 23 years. I've been an editor out of that more than 15 years. So I know that you wanted it to die down, and people tell me, Anand, why did you continue? Because I took it, I have taken all of these things as challenges. You know, day one onwards, Anand, there has been an attempt to take this case on a tangent. There has been an attempt to run down the mysterious circumstances, to give a clean chit. What are the tactics? See, Ketan, suicide tactic. Karan Johar. Who asked Karan Johar? Suicide? How do you know? Oh, I felt like talking to you, put out a narrative. Swara Bhaskar? Suicide? How did they know? When suicide failed, depression? Psychiatrists started coming out. Then Riya is innocent. Patriarchy? When that failed, media trial? Get former police officers to go to courts to file cases? When that fails, misogyny? And when everything fails, viewers, I remind you, you declare the family of Sushant Singh Rajput corrupt and insane. You even question, you say, did his father have a second marriage? You call the family toxic. Now that's why am I doing this program today? I'm reminding you. I want to keep hammering to people like you, not you as in like people of whose side you are on, that you lost. It is very important for you to remember for a long time that you lost, so that others don't try. Now the floor is yours, Ketan first and then Anand. Orderly debate, please. Thank you.
See, I can speak for myself. The big point that we had difference of opinion was whether the state should investigate it or the CBI, and Supreme Court is quite open on the matter. I am glad that there is some crucial breakthrough in the matter. I am glad that finally things will come to a fruition, and I feel that people and fans are restless for an outcome and a closure. So if there is a 302 that the CBI is going to file tomorrow, I am sure they have a watertight case case, many new facts will emerge. I'm sure in the last 42 days they have taken some important confessions and revelations, and now they have a watertight case. So I think after they file a 302 tomorrow, then they should give closure to all of us who are asking justice for Sushant. We may have difference of opinion over who should investigate or who went wrong or who allegedly did an incompetent job. So I think we are, at least all the panelists are one, that justice should be served, and the political cacophony will keep on happening. But at least the case will meet a closure. That is what I feel, Varna.
No, I don't agree with you. You have not answered my question. You made a number of diversionary tactics. What did you expect? I want to know, Chetan, please tell me, Chetan, Sumit, you all thought you are too clever by half. Raghav, Anand, would you like to respond to this? Did they not try to divert attention from this case? And
Yes.
what will 302 really mean for all these people in a larger context?
Yes, absolutely, Arnab. I like to make 2 points. Somebody on the panel said that you conducted a media trial. Well, damn right, the 2 words are correct, media trial, but Republic is a media was put on trial. That is what happened. So it is a media trial because media was put on trial. Your reporters were arrested, you were hounded, you were taken to the police station. The prevailing government in Maharashtra threatened to block your channel. Is that not putting you on trial? So yes, media trial did happen. And as far as the correct phrase of media trial happening, were you the one, was Republic the one who shamelessly disclosed patient doctor confidentiality? Was it Republic? No. So what are they talking about? And as far as number 2 is concerned, you see, they can dismiss all these guys, they can dismiss all the investigations that you have done, your channel has done over the past 2 months, granted. They can dismiss witness statements, granted. They can dismiss circumstantial evidence, granted. But how can they dismiss what has been written in the AIIMS report saying that violating the Indian Medical Association guidelines, the time of death which has to be reported was left blank? That is an irrefutable fact. I challenge anyone, including Tausif, who's wearing new glasses, hopefully he'll be able to see better, to dispute this fact. How come the time of death was left blank?
The autopsy report of Cooper Hospital is speaking about, in the backdrop of 302, gave botched up post-mortem reports conducted in dim lighting, which did not even mention the time of death. And the CBI, some people say, no, some people have commented, some people in the know, some people in the know, I want to share something, message me during my program. They say, Arnab, you are too innocent. Well, I'm not innocent. I'm straightforward about my job. And if any of these people were to try and suggest that being wily is the best way to be, well, I don't believe in it. Those people should be lucky that I'm not taking them on directly. I'd rather be innocent than sold out. Now, Manasvi, you understand here.
Can I come
This,
in here,
therefore, if by that logic, let me say, Raghav, this will be the victory of the innocent.
Yes, this will.
I'd rather have the victory of the innocent, right, than their defeat, Raghav.
We have to examine
Let the innocent win.
chronology of what all happened. There were some people who did not want the truth of Sushant Singh Rajput's what now is looking probable was a murder. And they did not want the truth to come out.
Raghav.
There were certain colleagues of yours who even said that since Sushant Singh Rajput is not a big star, we should not investigate how he died and that we should just abandon the whole thing because he was, of course, not a big enough star or a big enough achiever. There are other people, as you correctly said, who breached doctor-patient confidentiality. There was, from the beginning, a very concerted effort to make sure that the truth of the murder doesn't come out. And today, those people have ended up with egg on their face. They have absolutely nothing to say. The CBI is going to investigate the murder charge. And this is now something that these lobby, this cabal, should not be able to do anything, would not be able to do anything about. And they were the ones who were telling us throughout that we are somehow trying to divert attention or whatnot by talking about Sushant Singh Rajput's murder. Well, I would like to now say that they are the ones who are trying to divert attention from their misdeeds. They are the ones who are trying to divert attention from their misdeeds by...
And viewers, I also want to make a promise today, and I think we should do that, Swapnil, and that there are some people who believe that we will not expose the conspiracy behind the Sunanda Pushkar case. These people are messaging me now because they are nervous. I will not spare them now, because behind a conspiracy there are two sides. If the AIMS report was not picked up by the police, then I feel the conspiracy is at both sides.
Absolutely.
I'm sorry, I'll say it directly. The people at AIMS want to give the impression that they are innocent, that the report did not, and therefore they'll build documentation on this case. These are the people who say, let there be the political will to pick up the case first. What are you? What are you? Are you a professionals? Are you professionals in the first place? How did the Sunanda Pushkar murder report not reach the police? Why should I not believe that there was an understanding between both sides? Swapnil, these people think they are too clever by half. They think they will get away with it because they feel they are slippery heels. I think it's time to teach these slippery heels a good lesson.
Yes, absolutely, Arnab. Manasvi, you can come in later. Let me finish. Let me make my point, Manasvi. Arnab, slippery as they may feel that they are, but I don't think they'll escape the clutches, especially of the Republic TV. And,
oh yes, they won't this time now.
They will not. They will
in
not.
All the cases, they'll be caught.
Absolutely. And as far as this...
And we have enough evidence on them.
Yes, and as far as Section 302 is concerned, the arc of the moral universe is long, but it bends towards justice. Truly said Martin Luther King, and the circuitous road of the CBI, although long-winded, will bend towards Section 302 tomorrow. And when the file is signed by the top director of CBI on 302, it will underwrite and endorse all the petitions of Republic TV and all the war cries of the common citizen stretching right up to Delhi. The movement started
hear that.
To ensure that justice is delivered, and blasphemous as it may sound, to all the naysayers and all the suicide theorists who are now swirling or who were swirling in the hula hoop of nepotism, of bipolar disorder, depression, misogyny, patriarchy, will have to eat humble pie and wipe the continuous egg on their face, which has been thrown. So now it will be imperative
that.
the case of 302 will be there, and please record under 164 statements of Vivekananda.
And there are some people who call me. There are some people who call me, Savio, and they say, you know, we've been sitting on the truth about Sunanda, that it was lidocaine and insulin. But the truth is not out, it's in a cupboard. I want to tell those people, Sudhir, how do you sleep at night? How do you sleep at night knowing that you are nothing but a root for the untruth? Because truth and time will fall on everyone, Savio. Truth and time cannot, time cannot be delayed and truth cannot be hidden anymore. So Savio, I think we must, the moral of the story is, and I believe I will fight. Republic for 302 is, we started with 8,400 tweets, means someone in the country is listening to us, Savio. And the weight of public opinion will come up on this case, Savio. This is the big defeat. We must rub it in. We must rub in this defeat to these people.
The beauty, Arnab, the beauty of truth is that if you seek it with a pure heart and an honest intent, truth always emerges. What is happening in the Sushant Rajput case and the Disha Salian case is that millions of people across India and across the world want and are seeking the truth. That is why the truth in this case will become a reality. Justice will be served no matter how many try to hide it. And Arnab, journalists like you have sought the truth with a pure heart and with a pure intent. And that is why the truth will emerge. Anyone trying to hide the truth will get burnt by the truth itself.
But who are we fighting? Let me tell you one thing, Savio, in this journey I have encountered all kinds of people. And one kind of people who I have encountered are people who know the truth but barter it. People who know the truth are sitting on the truth and are sitting on evidence but sell it. Some for extensions of jobs, some for money, some for favors. And those people know who I'm talking about.
If they barter the truth,
and now I want to see how those people will be spared. I have so much evidence. I have so much evidence. I have so much evidence. No, this is no. You tried too hard to conceal the truth in this case. Sorry, no. Mohammed Tausif.
People in this country who feel that just because... We always wanted justice for Sushant Singh Rajput. Now you see, the problem is, after 302 will register, this case will take 2, 3, 6 years.
You stop being cynical.
Why not a fast track?
You stop being your usual cynic.
Sushant Singh Rajput.
Nupur is on.
Why?
No, that's your view. Why should it? That's your view.
No, this is not a cynical thing, yaar.
That's your view.
This is something I want.
That's your view.
Why not a fast track? Why do you want to drag this case till Bihar election?
No, nobody wants to drag this case. It was already dragged.
Let's sit
when
tomorrow.
you had a line
Let's sit
of
tomorrow again.
stars,
If this is getting registered under 302, let's sit tomorrow and decide.
Tausif, allow me, Tausif. You are saying this case is being dragged. I think it was being dragged, but it was not sent to CBI by the Supreme Court. Because you had Tinseltown stars, as if वो कौन सा शिवसेना back कौन सा program होता है, Utsav, Umang, what is it called? I don't know. It happens in Mumbai. As if they were having a semi-final, like a
you are under a government, right?
exhibition.
You are in the ruling government.
No, wait, police station. Boss, we are in ruling government center. Law and order is a state subject.
अगर इतना ही आपको सहानुभूति है, why don't you have a campaign for justice for Jia Khan?
आप बताइए,
Law and order is a state subject in Maharashtra.
Justice इतना देर कैसे होगा? Justice जल्दी लाइए.
You may be standing for drug addicts. You may be standing for Dabulik. All I care. Do not heckle me. Allow me to make my point then.
You have Shiv Sena. You are getting scared from Shiv Sena. You are getting from the NSP. But the problem is, you are ruling the country, man. Nupur ji, आपके अंदर CBI है. You have Supreme.
Shiv Sena is in government.
You have everything. Law and order is in your hand. This is not Delhi.
Government or your CBI is so capable.
Why don't you make it a fast track? Go for it. Bring justice. Do not drag this case till Bihar election. Do not drag this case till Bihar election. If you just want to drag this case till Bihar election, I want to give some profit.
If the CBI files 302, 1 minute.
You are playing political cards. What political card? Political card तो तब था जब कंगना का घर तोड़ के
these posters. ना भूले देंगे during the Bihar elections. Why did you circulate these posters?
No,
उसका घर गिरा दिया. Political vendetta is filing 200 cases on Arnab. Political vendetta is jailing a journalist for 4 days. ऐसी क्या पूछताछ कर रहे थे? Somebody who trespassed the actual PMO was let off in arms. Come prepared. When you come on debates, come prepared with facts. Don't come on television spewing venom and rubbish. Don't come on television with an agenda only to heckle. अरे
I would just say this, that today the question is simply this. Today the question is simply this. Since you're asking this, I'll ask you. 1 minute, please.
To see the first day, first
all
show.
hecklers are for murderers and drug addicts. All hecklers on this debate are for murderers and drug addicts. Let's go.
I'd get.
They don't want the truth to come out. We were discussing truth.
You think the people? You think the people aren't angry tonight about this? You think the people aren't angry tonight about this enough? You think the people aren't angry enough about this? Raghav, they think the anger is gone. They think the anger is gone. I think we need to remind them.
They are trying to divert attention now. They are trying to divert attention. The truth is that they are the people who are trying to divert attention by putting pressure on the Hathras victims' family to make these statements. That is the truth. Admit it. You guys are vultures. You are a vulture. You are like a pack of vultures descending upon the tragedy. You don't want the truth. You don't want the truth. If the truth hurts your lobby, that is, you have to admit it tonight. You are like vultures. Stop behaving like vultures. The whole country is watching. And nobody is worried.
You think today the question, no, 1 minute. Today the question is simply this. Today the question is simply this. Should the section 302 to charges be added in the case? Why didn't the Mumbai police do it? They had 66 days, they were handling the case.
It is very clear. They want to protect somebody.
Did the Mumbai police not have the means, the ability, or were there instructions to look the other way? From all leads to look the other way from the baby penguin? Sumit is on the debate. So, 1 second. Swapnil.
Yes. Hello, excuse me. May I speak, please? There is no question, Arnab. There is no question, Arnab, that there were instructions to the effect to... Sumit, may I finish my point, please? Sumit, let me finish my point. Sumit, if we were going to talk to each other... Sumit, let me finish my point.
Can I commence? I've yet to open the address. Let me please introduce my points. I'm yet to open my mouth in the debate. You please have patience. Please hear me out and then you can respond. My point is, Arnab, that CBI is a neutral agency which has been conferred the job of investigation by the Supreme Court. We all must trust the CBI. CBI is a competent agency which can look into the facts of a case. CBI will have to and will surely has not done the investigation in haste, and they would be backing up the investigation by way of the forensic and the medical evidence. If tomorrow the medical evidence is in favor of murder or a homicide, then CBI must add 302 to this case. However, the caveat is that the CBI will have to back this 302 case with independent circumstantial evidence, and they have to prove each and every circumstance beyond reasonable doubt.
Swapnil.
To ensure that the circumstantial
yes,
chain is complete.
Glossed over. Sumit, don't tell me about the theory, about the procedure of CBI. You and I, as lawyers, we are aware of it. So let us answer Arnab's question. Arnab's question was that today 66 days of shambolic investigation have been wasted by the Mumbai police. Yes. And that is what should have been done by them. What was stopping them from opening 302 or conducting a 302 inquiry? Yes. We all know what was stopping them and where they were embroiled and where they had to, sort of be obeisant, indulge in obeisance towards the powers that be. So we don't need to get into that. What I'm trying to say is that this has derailed the investigation to a significant extent. Yes. And tomorrow, when the CBI underwrites 302, it is high time that it goes in a flurry of activity, the way NCB has done. Go after Disha Salian as well. That will be my request to CBI, because unless you crack Disha Salian, you will not be able to crack Sushant.
All I'm saying is that CBI will have to back its case by independent evidence, and the evidence has to be so strong that it has to not rule out the possibility of any other accused coming into offense.
Let me finish. Sumit, let me finish. You will not find evidence for Disha Salian. You will have to come to Republic TV for that. Please call up Republic TV the moment you land in Mumbai. Then you will get all the information about Disha Salian, and they will be very happy to help you. Because unless and until you do that, call Nitesh Rane, call Vivekanand Gupta, take the evidence under 164, do that.
Supreme Court has granted
the more apparent questions which come up to our mind, and what I found professionally unacceptable this time was that I was being given lectures. Who are you? Are you a petty journalist? No, it was said you have no investigative skills. You don't have a degree in investigations. You don't have access to evidence. And I want to say that if I don't have access to evidence, then can you tell me the Mumbai police had all the access to the evidence? What the hell did they do? No. So what the hell did they do? They say control the journalist. Well, did you record the bruises, injuries and marks on Sushant's body?
So this means you are questioning Mumbai police.
Of course I am.
No, you are saying Mumbai Mumbai police is complicit. Maharashtra government is complicit.
Of course I am. I will say the same for the CBI if they don't file 302. I will say the same to the CBI if they don't file 302. You think I'll spare them?
No. Can you answer?
You think the country will spare them?
Under 3.
I don't decide the line of my argument based upon whose convenience it is. Chetan. It's the Mumbai police which did not register an FIR, which is the first and the basic step towards carrying out a criminal investigation for cognizable offences.
Look.
No, what look? What do I look at?
No, look. First and foremost, Mumbai police is one of the most esteemed police. You remember Sheena Bora case?
Yeah, we did Sheena Bora case. You know what? The Mumbai police mucked up. The Mumbai police did not do anything. We interviewed Peter Mukherjee. I did. We reopened the case. Don't make me open my mouth about the cover-up that the Mumbai police was trying in that case as well. Nupur knows about it.
No, Arnab, the most deplorable
no, we want to run it
out here.
No, Anand.
Deplorable stuff out here is that when a tragedy is being seen, being viewed as an opportunity for a poll-bound state, this is the most tragic stuff.
Chetan, please, I've been waiting for a very long time.
Pandeyji has taken a second time voluntary retirement, and where he is joining. Look at this. Look at this. What is happening? We all want to know the truth, but not
How
like this.
is that?
Nobody should
Are you saying that the Supreme Court was wrong?
Political opportunity.
Chetan, please.
This is a diabolic diversion tactic is what I'm going to say. At this given point of time.
No.
देखिए जनाब. First and foremost, we all want to know the truth. But not
this
like
is
this.
ridiculous.
You have no right to question Mumbai police.
The decision of the Bihar police has been
You're sounding like Sanjay Raut.
No.
I can't give you a worse insult.
And he's in contempt of the Supreme Court. Arnab, I must come in here. Chetan, please don't interrupt. Thank you so much. I've been waiting for a very long time. Arnab, just 30 seconds, Chetan, please. And then I'll allow you to, counter me. Arnab, you said half an hour ago it was all about truth and the fact of the truth coming out. Now, do you remember the day Republic Channel started? Do you remember? It was long time ago. I dare say you probably don't even remember the date, but I do. It was, I think, 6th of May 2017.
Yes, you're spot on.
Do you remember on that day the expose that you ran?
Yeah.
The expose that you ran was on Lalu in cahoots. In cahoots with a gangster.
Yeah.
You ran that exposure, and a year later, you publicly said that 4 TV channels were given the same tape. They did not have the guts to run that.
They didn't run it.
You had to start a new channel to run that tape.
That's true.
You started a channel to run that tape. That is about exposing truth. If that is not journalism, I'm afraid I don't know what is. Is hiding truth journalism?
Tausif. And which is why we must know no limits. If it is Sushant now, it must be Disha next.
But Raghav,
people will say you're being too persistent, but I would say so.
Arnab,
if it is Sushant now, if 302 is possibly opened up in the Sushant Singh case, I agree with Swapnil. The murder probe will open the floodgates as to what happened in the Disha Salian case. And Tausif, you understand?
Say it again that I was never against Sushant Singh Rajput case. And I'm happy with 302. You are doing it. I gave you the credit.
I am not doing it. I hope for hell the CBI does.
As well. I was never against the channel and your journalism. But the problem is that why you are throwing a ball in the pitch and making a googly. Let us keep it straight.
I don't know. What is a googly?
Let us walk straight.
No.
The problem is this whole media.
Boss, I only bat. I'm only a batsman and I bat with a straight bat. You must be the googly.
Then again a googly. I don't understand.
Are you are neither a leg spinner or anything, you are an off spinner.
Into a confusion mind of state.
What kind of an argument is this?
I don't know. I've heard of leg spin and off spin. This man is top spin. He's a spin which doesn't exist. The ball breaks when he bowls.
Indian government.
Absolutely.
That when this criminal is going to be.
I don't know what he is arguing.
Now
he's got confused. Nupur is confused.
No, what is his point?
Nupur has lost his point.
Let n number of googlies be thrown.
I just want to say
the ultimate judge and referee is the judiciary. Let them do their job. This is ridiculous. CBI में खेती Supreme Court के खिलाफ बोल रहे हो. Now you are actually undermining the court's authority and discretion. I tell you what a shoddy job and investigation is. For 3 months you could not find Disha Salian's fiance. Who she was last seen with. For so many months, you could not do justice to the sadhus.
Give me a date.
There was
After
police
Bihar election,
who
will
actually
you fight for
shoved
this
off the
case?
sadhus and ensured they were lynched. You were actually
After
investigating an
Bihar
offence of
election, will you
nepotism
fight
which does
for
not
this
even
case?
exist.
Or after
And I'm
Bihar
sorry,
election,
Arnab,
you will forget everything.
if you are,
You will stop
allow me,
shouting.
Tausif, allow
And
me to
then this
complete.
whole nepotism
You know,
word will
Arnab,
disappear
if you are
like
any less of an
coronavirus.
investigative
No, just
journalist,
tell me, I
then what
just
is
need a
Ashok
date.
Gehlot?
Nupur, I'm not
Is he the
heckling you.
judge jury? Is he Supreme Court in itself? That he has actually gone on record to supersede the law existing in this country and say that an underage girl can actually give consent to have sex. What rubbish? But ठीक है POSCO Act कहीं भाड़ में IPC के भाड़ में अशोक गहलोत कैरेक्टर्स
Why should I ask Rahul Gandhi anything? My Prime Minister is Narendra Modi. I will ask Mr. Narendra Modi when this case is solved. I will ask the Law Minister. I will ask the CBI. I am not going to ask the Mumbai Police anymore. Mumbai Police has lost its case. Mumbai Police has lost its morality. Mumbai Police has lost its honesty. Now the case is with the CBI.
I think they are getting nervous, Nupur. Nupur, I think they are getting nervous because they think that the 302 probe will open a completely different line of investigation, which is why it is very important for the case to be under 302 Savio. Savio, can you tell us why 302 is significant? 302 is significant in this case, technically also.
You see, Arnab, the problem is one politician, two Bollywood actors, one producer builder, and one brother of a Bollywood female actress. They are powerful, they've got Bollywood connect, they have political connect, and they are very afraid if 302 is done by CBI, because the truth will come out. You see, I keep saying it over and over again. Information is what Sushant Rajput Singh was killed for. And Disha Salyan's case is linked to Sushant's death. So what is that truth? Is it the deep underbelly of crime in Mumbai? There is a deep underbelly of drugs. There is a deep underbelly of child trafficking. There is a deep underbelly of snuff. There is a deep underbelly of crime that gets people on a high. Is that the kind of information that Sushant had? Is that the kind of information that Disha saw? And that is the reason why powerful people are trying to hide the case. The truth will come out. 302 will be a reality and the truth will come out.
Before that they were paupers. In the previous Sarkar they were paupers. And suddenly they became powerful. Suddenly these people became powerful. You are telling
Nupur and Savio.
My friend.
No, what is he talking about?
I did not name.
Name them.
You are arriving at the conclusion.
Name them. If you have the proofs, name them. My
The
friend, if
name
you
of
have
that
the proofs,
politician
name them
will come out.
and shame them.
That politician better be warned.
Gentleman.
Who's that bigger penguin?
Savio, you're a
Who's the
gentleman.
penguin?
Can I ask you a small
And
question,
CBI
Savio?
to summon them. Not only
Savio.
name them, summon all the
Savio.
penguins. Not only
Now
name
we
the
are-
bigger penguins also.
Well, the person
But come
shouting
with
obviously
Savio,
cannot
now
give
the
you
case is not with Mumbai Police.
I can barely hear these
Now
hecklers.
the case is with
What are they
CBI.
defending?
The CBI is working very hard.
CBI is
Republic
investigating,
India
but
is
you want
working
to
very
credit my
hard.
brother Savio to Mumbai Police.
You know,
Of their
Republic
conduct for
Bharat,
65 days.
Republic,
I am
Arnab
telling you,
Goswami and the
Savio,
whole
my
team is
brother,
working very hard.
summon the Mumbai
Now
police
I have a
officials.
simple question. When CBI is working so hard
Heckling
and the
everybody
Indian
from
government is
Savio
CBI
to me to
and the whole...
Swapnil.
Nupur and
What is
Tausif.
your point?
Give me a date.
Nupur.
Throughout this debate, I don't get the point that these people are trying to argue on.
What is the point
By
here?
heckling me, by heckling Savio, by heckling Raghav, by heckling Swapnil, by heckling Anand also. What is your point? Your point is that you defend murderers. Your point is that there should be no investigation. Let it be a shoddy job. Your point is that the perpetrators should not be brought to book.
Just
नहीं बॉस आप तो सबसे ज्यादा बोल रहे हो
Are you going
आप
to
तो इतना
fight
बोल रहे हो
this
कि
case
समझ गया
after
आपका
Bihar
point
election?
क्या है तुम इतना जो
After
रैडल
Bihar
हो गए
election,
हो
you will forget
तुम
this
इतना
case.
जो घबरा गए हो ये कौन सा सत्य है तो
After
छिपा
Bihar
रहे
election, you
हो No,
will-
I have a question for
you
you.
will just
No,
forget
let
this
CBI
case.
investigation came by
So that
Supreme
is why I
Court.
want to
CBI
know
is
the
doing
date.
its job.
Like
so what is your
January,
argument?
February,
What is your
March,
argument that
April,
Sushant didn't
May,
die?
June. Will
What
you
is
take
your
another 1 year?
argument? That his parents should not worry. His
Yes,
family should
no.
not worry. Is
You
that
are
your
the Supreme
argument?
Court.
Let him
You are
die.
the CBI.
Let a young
You are
talented
the
die.
media.
Let a young.
You are
I'm not.
everyone.
I'm not
You are
calling the
making a
judgment.
new
You
hero in the
are.
city which is
You
coming
are
out.
undermining the
The
power
problem
of
is the
Supreme
ignorance
Court
of the
to give the
problem.
judgment to
Everyone
CBI,
wants
and
justice.
you want to
Who's
heckle.
undermining a
So you
power
stand
Supreme
with his
Court?
murderers.
Let the
You
accused
think
to get
CBI should not do a proper
Once the
probe?
accused
You
to
think
get
his
registered,
family should
we
not be
also know
worried?
who are the
You
criminals.
think there should be no
Riya Chakrabarti,
investigation
Disha
because it is
Patani,
going to maybe
this Rai is not there in the
raise
I will
questions on
only.
your favorite leader.
I think. You know. Tell me one thing, Tausif.
Who is guilty?
Tausif, listen. Can I?
I think you are. When you defend murderers and drug addicts, you
Riya
actually
Chakrabarti
look the
behind the bars. Riya
most
Chakrabarti's
guilty.
brother behind the bars.
What is ऐसा क्या है?
Do
What
you
is the
have any
information
more
that you're trying to
proof
hide?
put anyone
Are you
behind the
an
bars
ancillary to
or
this?
except shouting?
Are you a co-conspirator? That you are heckling and shouting
Except
from
Riya
rooftops.
Chakrabarti and Riya
You are not
Chakrabarti's
allowing.
brother. What
So
proofs
you are
do you
with
have?
Riya. One who is accused
After
of abetting to
302 will
suicide
get
in
registered.
Bihar
Tell me
FIR.
something.
You are now with
Give
Riya.
me a appropriate
What
date.
I think you should be
Like
questioned.
after Bihar
I think you should be
election,
questioned.
you are not
No,
going to
Bihar
fight.
election का क्या है?
Sushant Singh Rajput
अच्छा
will be
सुशांत
left
मरा
behind.
नहीं. You are
Like Jia
saying
Khan.
Bihar
अरे
election
बिहार
है इससे
election आपको तो
सुशांत
ताकत है.
died.
This is
You are saying
will
Bihar
win.
election आ गया इससे सुशांत died.
You will win with
Bihar
Bihar
election
election.
आगे से Disha was
You are
raped and
putting
murdered.
Sushant Singh Rajput
What is your point?
posters
Please tell
in
me. No,
Bihar
I can't
Patna
understand
Gaya.
this.
You
I
want
don't
to see?
understand this. These guys are giving a political
I will
angle.
tell you. Give me a time.
That
Give me a time to
why they were
explain.
doing a shoddy job in Mumbai.
Give me a time to
That's why
explain.
they did not actually find Disha's fiance
Give me
for
a
3
time to
months.
explain.
For
Give me a
3
time to
months, they
explain.
did not
You are
question
putting
the
big
last
cutouts of
seen
Sushant
person
Singh
with Disha
Rajput in
Salian.
Patna.
Arnab, I
You
think
are putting
people
a big
who are
cutout
sitting
in
here
Gaya.
and giving it a political angle should
Really?
also be questioned.
Everywhere.
I would
You
urge
are-
the
you
CBI
are
to
fighting
question
with Sushant
Tausif as well
Rajput.
because
You
he
are
seems to
begging
know
for
more
votes
than
in
most of
Bihar.
us.
For Sushant Singh.
We are not begging for anything, sir. You are certainly
Yes,
begging
yes,
for
I want to know.
investigation on
It's
yourself.
okay. It's
I think
okay,
you
no
should-
issues for that.
To be
You are
interrogated.
putting cutouts
I think
for
Tausif
Sushant
should be
Singh Rajput in
interrogated. He seems to
Bihar,
know more.
Gaya,
I think he seems to know more on that. I would urge the CBI.
What is this?
I would actually urge the Home
Don't
Minister
you
as
have
well to
any,
ensure he is also investigated.
any
अगर
kind of
आपको politics
priority
नजर
of this
आ
murder
रही है
case? It's okay.
Was Sushant killed for
I
Bihar
will
election?
compare with
Was
Bihar
Disha
election.
raped for Bihar
It's
election? Is
okay.
that your point?
Nupur,
Is
I
that
will
your
go.
point? No,
Nupur, I will
no.
go.
I think there should be a proper investigation.
I am not Amit Shah.
There should be a proper
I am not
investigation.
behind the murder cases. I will go. I will go. I will go.
Home Minister Shri Amit Shah ji to investigate Tausif also.
No issues.
They are looking at a political angle. They are doubting the depth of Sushant and Disha. Maybe your name is that's why they were trying to find this.
I am not
This needs to be investigated.
If
It's a very
CBI
serious
gives me a
matter.
call, I will go.
Very,
Why
very
you
serious
want to
matter.
stop? Why you want to stop? I will not stop. I will tell everything. You want to put Sushant Singh cutouts in Bihar.
Talk about the shoddy job done by CBI during the investigation on Jia Khan. Why are you silent on Jia Khan?
Raghav and Nupur on the
Why don't you
left.
talk about justice for Jia Khan? Why are you selective in
Are you-
justices?
I can't hear a word they're saying.
Don't
But the way
threaten
they're
me with
heckling and
CBI.
shouting,
You are
it
selective.
seems
We are
like
not
they-
terrorists.
I'm not
We are not
telling you.
so
You made
guilty
this
like
statement
BJP.
on Twitter.
They are a superstar.
I am political
अरे
angle.
CBI will investigate you for
Raghav.
Let the CBI investigate that. If you're not complicit, if you're not part of the conspiracy, then you should not be scared.
What CBI
But
investigation?
since you are defending drug addicts and criminals with such a lot of gusto, with such a lot of enthusiasm, such a lot of aplomb, then there is something that is definitely to be investigated.
हाथरस में एक लड़की से proof
The CBI investigators know how to extract the truth. You will be singing like a canary. If they investigate you for 2 hours, you will sing like a canary. You will sing like a canary. Tausif, don't worry. You will be singing. You will sing. You will be singing. गाना गाओगे आप. जैसे चिड़िया गाना गाती है ना पिंजरे में बंद होकर, वैसे आप गाना गाओगे. Don't worry. Don't brazen it out.
Are you worried about I think no, watch it. Anand, there's great concern about a broad-based investigation. And under a 302, a criminal investigation, we'll have to look at Disha, we'll have to look at the builder, at the politician present at the party who have not been summoned, Rohan Rai, the actors, the drug, the darknet angle, Siddharth Pithani's role, how the body was was put and why there was not a single picture. In fact, I don't know what AIIMS is doing. There's not a single picture of the body hanging.
Not only that, Arnab,
So it can't be a suicide. So all these angles that they want, that are obvious and which we have been talking about, Anand, will get opened up if it's a 302 case. They're desperate.
Work for it, Arnab. You are doing it.
No, I am doing it means what? What do you mean I'm doing it? No, what do you mean I'm doing it? Tausi, what do you mean I'm doing it?
It's okay. Am I against?
I'm doing my job.
Am I against you?
Please give others
Am I standing against you? Am I standing against the Supreme Court? Who's standing against?
In the last 50 minutes, you've been speaking for half an hour. You've spoken more than Arnab. Please.
That's true.
Exactly, and talking rubbish. Absolute rubbish. Continuous heckling.
I haven't even talked. How can you even talk rubbish? Please allow me at least 30 seconds.
Counter you.
Arnab asked me a question.
Yeah.
So Arnab.
Anand, go ahead.
Arnab, to answer you, because I'm going to be heckled in 10 seconds, so I don't know. But you know, despite this heckling, I just wanted to make a point that not only would it be important as to the events after CBI calls it or makes a final call on 302, but I am interested in knowing the reasons that CBI gives for applying 302. Those reasons themselves would be explosive. Please understand that.
Yeah.
Because if CBI believes that there is a case for homicide and murder that would lead to punishment of death, it has to give some reasons why it is thinking that. Leave aside the investigation that would follow, that would be on completely different lines compared to what has happened in the last 3 months. But the reasons given by CBI would be illuminating as well. Please keep that in mind.
Yeah, Anand. Yes,
Swapnil.
The reasons that you will see, Anand, the reasons that you will see there, the reasons will follow in the kind of people that they call, they examine, they take custodial interrogation of. You will see the reasons in the form of those arrests, in the form of those testimonies, in the form of opening of Disha Salian case, putting 302 in that as well, calling some people who tried to cover up that case as well, calling Rohan Rai possibly also, because that is also imperative to call him, recording a statement of Vivekanand Gupta and Nitesh Rane along with that secret witness of Vivekanand Gupta under 164. All of those things will be very important. Now, wait.
वो तो उनके वजह से केस खुला है. Because of Sushant Singh Rajput, the case got open.
वो उसी के वजह से
problem.
वो उसी के वजह से खुलेगा. Wait,
don't make it a political
don't give me these stupid arguments. You are not a lawyer. Don't give me these stupid arguments.
Why should I lawyer? Who are you?
Who are you? Because you are doing
Swapnil Kothari, senior advocate.
Your eyes will pop out. It will be a problem.
Who you are.
Relax.
I don't care. But you are heckling all of us. So who the hell are you? So keep quiet. Let us finish. We did not interrupt you.
No one is heckling you. If you want to debate, I will counter you. If you want to debate, I will counter you. I will not shut up.
I don't want to debate with you.
If you want to debate, I will counter you. This is not a governor program.
Allow us to speak.
This is not your court. This is Republic channel. And this is a debate. I will counter you. If you don't like it, you can leave it and go.
No,
this is how we have learned.
Calm down, everyone, viewers. I request for some calm. Swapnil, unfortunately, I have to cut you short there for want of time. Viewers, some people say it as our hope. Some people say it is our expectation. Actually, this is my belief that this will be a 302 case. I hope, Nupur, I'm short of time, but we will pick it up again. I hope we are proven right. We hope and pray we are proven right. Viewers, next week is going to be big on both the CBI and the NCB front. And I have a great Sunday debate coming up on why Bollywood needs rehab. That's at 12 noon on Sunday. See you then. Goodbye.